budget of 2026 that is expected to support a growth of 5 to 6%, and next year that will be from 5.5 to 6.5, and then 6 to 7 in 2028. Now, in the last couple of years, it has been consumption spending that has driven growth, accounting for nearly 3/4 of the GDP. No? That's on the demand side, and if you look at the supply side of the economy, that's services. And in the consumption, that's likely going to be still supported by employment, growth in employment, and remittances. No? But we also expect the rebound of consumer confidence this year, no? Because as you have seen in the data in the third quarter, consumption spending it slowed down sharply from over 5% to just 4.1% in the third quarter because of that reduction in the confidence of our consuming public. That we expect to rebound this year as inflation continues to be low. For the entire 2025, inflation has been down to 1.7%, and that is expected to continue this year. We're actually targeting just 2 to 4% inflation but I think we will achieve less than that. And also interest rates have been coming down, and we have been reading the papers with BSP saying that they will continue to follow that rate reduction. And globally, the pessimism in the trade and investment regime of many countries was not as bad as we thought it was last year, with the sharp increases in tariffs initially by the U.S. and so I think that there are favorable forces moving that we are seeing moving forward, and so we do expect that the broad economy will grow sufficiently strong, especially toward the second half, I think, of the year. We probably will still see some residual effects of the events last year in the first half of the year.
Follow up lang po. Magre-revise po ba tayo ng growth targets?
Well, the last one we have done, but we have not yet released it's not been officially released yet. But we have done some work and some discussions and decisions last December. Actually, that's the DBCC, and the numbers that I mentioned, the GDP numbers, reflect those decisions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chloe. Evelyn.